Hey yo, what is good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I gotta order my Starbucks drink right now. I'm about to, yeah, but I appreciate you guys for tuning in for another video. And if you guys are having a beautiful, amazing day, hit that like button. But if you guys know what I like for Starbucks, or can you guess what I get for Starbucks, comment right now. Hello, can I get a grande iced caramel macchiato upside down, please? So yeah, I don't know if that's a basic drink, but I hope not. And if y'all guess vanilla bean, fuck y'all. As you can tell by the title of the video on this video, we are installing the downpipe today. So we're gonna go to King Muffler. If you guys know who that is, he's the one who did my exhaust system for the TRD way in the beginning of this channel. We just came to get some Starbucks and then head out there real quick. But luckily there's no traffic, so I just saw the maps. No traffic, we'll be chilling. So we're about to approach right now, and there's a cop up ahead. He's trying to intimidate me. I was like, bro, who are you trying to intimidate? We're about to approach right now. We're a couple minutes away. But look, there's another cop right there, trying to read the plates and everything. You know what I'm saying? So they all trying to trap right now. You feel me? Yes, sir. 911 sheriff, what's up? They trying to get me. Look, dun 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 dun. But look, he about to pull me over right now. Watch. He's like, why don't you have a front license plate? Oh, I guess not. I was hoping he might have. No, we're good so far. We're good so far. So I just made it to King Muffler right here. The boys' shop's right there. And it's always good to see the boy because I haven't seen him in a minute, you know. He's finishing up a car right now. And then we just talked about possibly removing the resonator and putting on the catless downpipe that I have. So probably what we're gonna do, and maybe get some exhaust tips depending on if he has any that I might get some exhaust tips too, but we shall see. And I will record some before and after clips of how it sounds stock, and then of how it sounds after the resonator cut off and the catless downpipe. But should be dope, and I'm super excited to hear how it sounds, bro, because obviously, I mean, it should sound like the M340i, like just straight loud, but for some reason this one pops a lot more, but could be wrong. We'll see. This is also without a tune, so it hasn't been tuned yet, so I'm pretty sure the check engine light might come on after a couple of miles of driving it. It possibly will come on, and then I'll have to tune it to get that light removed and everything. But yeah, told you guys this car ain't staying stock for very long. I told you guys, after the track, boom, we're doing it. Shit's getting started. New tips, we got the new tips ready to install. Got the man about to install them for me. And here she goes, she's going up. We're about to get her done. So like I said, we're doing a downpipe, catless downpipe, res delete, and yeah, my boy's about to get down. We might change the tips, we'll see. Here's underneath the Supra. We got the Wi-Fi, that's the resonator right there, as you can tell. But my boy about to get down crazy right now and get it done. But yeah, oh, and then here's the downpipe. About to put the catless one on here, but should sound louder than what it was before. He only brought his own. Let's go. That was crazy. Wow, you can even see the BMW logo right here though. Crazy. Hey, this one's ready to fire somebody. I don't know who. We took out the resonator. There it is. Now he's taking off the downpipe right now, the stock one. So here's the difference from stock downpipe to a catless downpipe. Catless downpipe, catless. OEM, VSRF. So it's about to make a drastic change. You can tell just the difference on the width and size of all of it. This is about to sound crazy loud. So he's installing there's Y pipe right here to connect it to that pipe right there that he's doing. So, yep. And then he already installed the catless downpipe. Hey yo! downpipe installed. The oxygen sensors.
I put some anti-seize so they wouldn't seize up and get tight. You can take them on and off real easy.
Okay.
This 4-inch mandrel bent is going to get you a lot of horsepower. You'll be able to pull a lot with that.
I heard that. You about to pull power, baby. Bro, this shit is loud. Hold on, I'm gonna just go into manual mode. Bro, that shit sounds weird. Bro, what? Yeah, those pops sound very fucking weird. Dude, that just sounds so good, low-key. The downshifts are a little weird for me, but that's cool. Like, those just don't even sound like pops. It doesn't sound too bad, though, but those little burbles, that sounds weird. Dude, that shit sounds so weird. But if I'm in low gear, dude, you can hear that turbo. Oh, you want to rev? You want to punch it? Oh, launch! Bet. Let's see. It wasn't even the best launch. I couldn't do it really. And I was spinning. That shit just all up first. But yeah, guys, doesn't sound too bad. When I get home, I'll do sound clips of it in comfort and sport. But as of right now, we have like an hour drive back home. But I'll pick up the camera once I get back home. I want you guys to hear how it sounds. It doesn't sound bad, bro. Hopefully there's no wind buffering, but the shift sounds so good. Bro, it just sounds so good, those shifts. Downshifts are a little weird for me. Oh my god. Dude, that's so loud. Holy shit. It just needs to be tuned, bro. Once it's tuned, it's gonna be way faster, but as like obviously it's not tuned, it doesn't feel that fast. Damn, bro, that shit was loud. Alright, so now that I've made it home, I'm gonna get you some clips of how it sounds with the downpipe and the whole setup on comfort, and then I'll show you on sport mode. So right now it's comfort. You guys tell me what you guys hear. Does it sound good? Does it sound bad? That should make a huge difference in my opinion. Like obviously you can hear it. Bro, bro, that's fucking loud. And then like right now we revved it down the tunnel like at a high RPM, and that just popped insanely, just bah. So it sounds really good, bro. My bad, y'all. I didn't get to film a proper outro for this video. But what do you guys think of the catalyst downpipe and the whole resonator delete on the Supra? I think it sounds really good. Let me know what you guys think. Does it sound a little too raspy? I don't know. I don't know if that's why it sounds a little off, like those pops, if that's maybe the reason why. But I look-y think it sounds pretty good. It doesn't sound bad. As I was driving it today, bro, that shit is insanely loud. It's crazy. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button if you guys did. Hit the subscribe button if you guys are new and be part of the family. I thought it sounded dope. Let me know what you guys think in the comment. But this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.